Wizzair 69er, wind is 280 degrees, 6 knots, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21, Wizzair 69. Wizzair 69er stopping.
Wizzair 69er, any assistance needed?
Stand by please, corridor.
69er.
Wizzair 769, yeah, the first train. We're stopping on the runway, we can vacate from Romeo 5.
Okay, Wizzair 69er, vacate to Romeo 5.
It's Romeo 5.
Wizzair 69er, would you like to taxi the beginning of the runway for another departure or taxi back to the stand?
Just stand by, we're gonna stop here for a second.
Okay. And Air 7, Foxtrot Victor, the wind is 270 degrees, 4 knots, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, that's the Ryanair 10 positive.
69er, go ahead. Will do. For your information, the bird control unit found a bird on the runway. It seems to be a bird hit with a kestrel. However, the bird is fully intact, so it looks like he is not hit by the engine or went through the engine.
Yeah, the engines are fine, but the tempo is
Better safe than sorry, sir. I'll send the fire marshal over to take the temperature of the brakes. Yeah, the fire brigade is manning the truck now. They are at beam tower, so they should be with you in about 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, I got it. So they have a camera which they can measure the heat, so then we know for sure. Yeah, the fire brigade is measuring a temperature on the main gear of 165 degrees, so 165 degrees Celsius. Confirm that is normal?
Yeah, that I think it is fine. That is
Roger. Continue taxi to Romeo 2 via Romeo, and the fire brigade says there are no further indications of any abnormal situations, so it looks like you're good to go.